Welcome to this module on town planning. Yet, people seem to have swept all their household and refuses into the streets to be trodden under the foot. So, the inner court, the inside rooms, everything was swept in their household, and that is being brought into the streets, which comes under the foot of the people while they are walking on the streets. This made the street level rise, and over time, the threshold of the houses had also to be raised so that no mud would flow inside after the rain. As you can see the house here, this is the house height. So when you bring the dust or the mud that comes from the household after you sweep it into the streets, the street level has to be raised. It's automatically raising because you're depositing the mud in that. And in order to maintain that mud not coming back due to the rains, when if it rains, the water may bring the mud up and it may bring it into the houses. So the houses are being raised up. The house's threshold has to be raised above the streets. Even the streets are higher, the household height should be much higher. Then only we can stop the mud flow into the houses, inside the houses after the rain. We need to be very careful here. They used to sweep all their household into the streets to the trodden underfoot. This made the street level raise over a period of time, and the thresholds of the houses had also to be raised so that no mud would flow inside after the rain. Light came into the rooms not from the windows but from the doorway opening into the courtyard. So they have doors which are opened into the courtyard, and the light, the sunlight comes into their houses through the doorways but not by windows as we have in the modern day at present. We open the windows, we get light. But in the city of Ur, the planning of the houses was a bit different. They had doorways as an opening for the light to come inside, and these doorways are opened into the courtyard where they get the light. And this also has given families their privacy, as they are open towards the courtyards but they are raised above, as we discussed in the previous slide. So this gives them the privacy. Whoever is inside the house, the family will be given their privacy.
We can come to the conclusion now. The town planning system in the city of Ur during the Mesopotamian civilization as not having any clear plan. We can call it as an absence of town planning. What made us to come to this conclusion? One, the narrow winding streets which will not allow the carts to enter into the streets because they are very narrow, and the irregular shapes of house plots. They are not constructed in an order, in a line, or in a regular shape. The absence of street drains, and they also have drains and clay pipes. Instead of the out of the house, they have it in the inner courtyards of the Ur houses. It is thought that house roofs sloped inwards so that the rainwater can be channeled via the drain pipes into the sumps in the inner courtyard. So this makes us to assume that there was an absence of town planning in the city of Ur. Now, what is making us to feel like this? Because when we compare this town planning system with the contemporary Indus Valley system, where you find a well-structured town planning, a well-built drainage system, properly planned regular housing. Sufficient gap is there between the streets and the houses. So they have a well planned town planning when compared to the city of Ur or the Mesopotamian civilization. So this makes us to make an observation that there was an absence of town planning in the Mesopotamian civilization. With regards to the city of Ur. This would have been a way of preventing the unpaved streets from becoming excessively slushy after the downpour. Maybe they have a different way of town planning. If you look it, compare it to the contemporaries also, you don't find a proper town planning which is done, which was followed in the Indus Valley civilization, or even during the modern days. If you compare, there is still a lot of areas which needs to be improved for saying that they have a proper town plan in the city of Ur during the Mesopotamian civilization. Stay tuned, we'll catch you in the next section.